Killer.
Always hospital, always.
Assassin. Assassino. So I lost the camera for 20 minutes in Uber, but now I got it back again, and now we are in a spaceship, I don't know, museum. I'm gonna check it out. So this guy is like a serious suicide. He wants to suicide, right?
Look at him, of course.
Suicide.
He's doing his own.
I mean, look at this engine. So we just finished with the Space Museum, and I would say that it's not as good as yesterday's Natural History Museum, but still it's worth seeing it. Now we are going to Holocaust Museum. It's around 14 minutes walk, and we're gonna check it out, what Americans have to say about Holocaust. East Coast, West Coast, Holocaust. Identity card from a guy who's from Lithuania. So we are going to Washington Monument again. We're gonna try to climb those 167 meters. So we didn't go to the monument because at 10 a.m. there was no tickets, and now we are going to the White House. Washington is one of the best cities in the US so far. Tom Jefferson. Hobbit, the beginning. Killer.
Always hospital, always.
Assassin. Assassino. Amazing view. Amazing. What's the next step for our trip?
Sadly, not Rocky Steps, but it's gonna be Lincoln Memorial.
Tribalism.
Such a crazy city.
And nice. Nice, 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 nice. Insane. Boom.
Hello.
So where we Juma right now?
So we are exploring the Georgetown, which is in Washington DC, the small but beautiful district. So let me read.
Your voice is changing, it's so fake.
No, it's not changing.
It's changing.
It's my original voice. So today is your last day, guys, here, right?
Yes. It's the third day, most chill day.
Wow. Good. I hope you enjoy this.
We didn't because you didn't show up anything at all.
I want to say that I'm so kind to you guys. Sometimes you're pissing me off and I want to smash your faces. But it's fine.
What do you mean it's fine? Why are you pussy?
No, it's fine. I mean,
So where we are going? Tell something to your fans.
hello my fans.
Pentagon. So because of you, Juma, we are sleeping outside. Look what you done.
Fucking homeless.
Homeless?
Mm-hmm.
Homeless forever?
Ever, forever.